In this video, I'm going to show you how quick and easy I make super crispy, brown, beautiful, delicious French fries using my Ninja air fryer for my son who absolutely loves it. I start off by putting aluminum foil in the tray, which is my preference, you don't have to. And I'm just going to use the rest of the French fries that we did have in our freezer, which are already extra crispy crinkle fries. I'm going to sit those in there. I'm going to place it in a tray, close it, as you see, I'm just turning it on, pressing air fry at 390 degrees, which you can do it at 400, and I'm only going to do it for 12 minutes. Having this Ninja air fryer has been a blessing because I don't have to worry about giving my son or my daughter any kind of unnecessary oils or just greasy things that's in his body. We really don't want to do that. So using my air fryer has been a breeze, and actually he can do it himself. It's very easy to do, very easy cleanup, and I just love it. In between the cooking time, I like to pause it and just open it just to make sure that the fries are cooking evenly. I shake it up a little bit, I just kind of toss it around, like I said, just to make sure that all sides are starting to brown. All right, it is all done. Now it is time to plate these beautiful, delicious looking fries. And the fries is ready for my son to eat. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe, comment, and give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next one.